Alternatives to smoking. To help committed quitters with overcoming the major hurdle of giving up long-established smoking habits, here are 4 daily rituals that can take the place of traditional cigarette breaks and also lead to an overall healthier lifestyle. Wake up with a glass of water. Instead of reaching for the cigarettes, make a habit of having a tall glass of iced water shortly after getting out of bed. Water helps to energize your metabolism, hydrates you, and helps your body flush out toxins. Create a morning stretch routine. Starting your day with stretches has many physical and mental benefits, including lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation within your body. Choose a mix of stretches that span all your major muscle groups, and do each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Clear your lungs with a deep breathing session. Practicing deep breathing at least twice a day is a great way to reduce stress levels and also help clear your lungs. Try taking in deep breaths, 5 seconds of inhaling through your nose, followed by 5 seconds of exhaling through your mouth. Keep your hands busy with the help of a water bottle. Smoking isn't just a mental fixation, it's a physical habit too. So part of quitting smoking is keeping your hands busy. A water bottle is a perfect solution. Keep it with you everywhere and refill frequently. Your hands will get the satisfaction of holding something, and you'll also stay hydrated.